the war separates us from everything. Maybe right now we don't know what's going on. Like, we don't feel exactly what they're feeling because some people, they don't even get a chance to study. Some people, they don't even have anything to eat.
Destroy our house and all the city, almost all the town, and it's almost make me sad, and like it's my country, so I wanna protect all of them, but I can't. So I just standing and watch how the worst happen, and I was like, they are all very kind, but it's the worst thing ever in my life. They all the people, and they try to all of us in the city, and it's like,
I feel bad for the people who live over there, and they're struggling with wars and attack us for almost a year. So we need to help them.
Cambodian people's crying. Some even died or left their family just to protect our country. And there's kids who cannot even study in school because of the war, and they have to stay in tents. People having difficulties trying to escape from the bombs that are dropped by.
Destroy Cambodia village house.
Maybe sometimes in the war you could lose someone that means the world to you, and you don't have the chance to study, and you're just like running away, feeling with fear. And sometimes they could be really cruel. They don't feel bad for you.
I want to say thank you to the soldier that protect our land.
So thank you for everything.